In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close positions on futures trading with Binance, especially tailored for beginners. If you're just starting out in the world of futures trading, or if you simply need a refresher, this tutorial is designed just for you. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll feel confident managing your trades. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open the Binance app. Once you're in, go ahead and navigate over to the futures section. This is your hub for all your futures trading activities, and understanding how to efficiently manage your positions here is key to successful trading. Next, look towards the bottom of the screen and tap on positions. This will give you a clear view of all your open trades. It's like checking your inbox. You'll get an overview of what's currently active, and it's where you'll often come to make strategic decisions. Now that you have a list of your open trades in front of you, the next step is to select the specific position you wish to close. This is much like sorting through your files to find the one you need to work on. By selecting a position, you're indicating to Binance that you plan to take action on that specific trade. Once you've chosen the position to close, it's time to take action. Tap on Close Position. This is a pivotal moment. It's equivalent to deciding to archive an email or finalize a report. You're signaling to the system that you're ready to execute the closure of this trade. As you proceed to close your position, you'll be presented with two options: market or limit. Opting for market means you want your position closed instantly at the current market price. It's like hitting the Pay Now button during an online purchase. On the other hand, choosing limit allows you to set a specific exit price. This is akin to putting an item on hold in your shopping cart until it hits the price you're willing to pay. Both methods have their strategic uses, and the choice depends on your trading goals and market conditions. Finally, you'll be asked to confirm your order. This step is crucial as it finalizes the process. Think of it as hitting send on an important email or submit on a project. Once confirmed, your position will close and you'll see the results immediately in terms of profits or losses realized. It's always good practice to double check everything before confirming to ensure you're making the best decisions for your trading strategy. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're now able to effectively close positions on Binance futures. Mastery of this process not only helps you mitigate risks, but also maximizes your potential gains. Keep practicing, and soon enough, handling futures trading will become second nature to you. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.